Guys, what I'm about to show you will shock you. I'm so excited to show you this. This is considered to be the easiest and fastest way to profit over the internet, hands down. I call it done for you on steroids. Yes, guys, because you have everything to succeed right here in a single place. And all you have to do is add your affiliate links and your autoresponder details, send some traffic, and all the money, and even the leads will be all yours to keep. Let me show you what I mean. Guys, welcome to Minutestock, your ultimate done-for-you solution with up to 8 ready-to-go software businesses you can profit from by using our traffic without any marketing or technical skills needed. Yes, guys, newbies have really tested this exact same system and have made their first buck online after trying really hard for many years by setting a set and forget system which takes just a minute to set up in 3 simple-to-follow steps. Impressed? Well, let me show you. Step 1. Connect. Guys, the first thing you need to do is to add your affiliate IDs so you get all the affiliate commissions sent straight to you. You do that by going to your FunnelMates account, which you will get access to once you buy Minutestock today. Clicking on Settings. And here we advise you to add all of your affiliate IDs, especially your JVZoo affiliate ID, which is where all Minutestock funnels are ready for you to profit as an affiliate. But you not only can connect your affiliate accounts here and profit from all of them at the same time with our done-for-you solutions, but you can also connect your autoresponder of choice and get to keep all the leads for yourself as well, guys. How cool is that? Step 2, request. The second thing you need to do is to send a request for only one of the products. We own the account, so you're guaranteed approval. We'll approve you within 12 to 24 hours to get 100% commissions for all 19 products in your 8-website bundle. Yes, guys, you heard that right. You need to request only one product. We guarantee your approval. You just need to wait 12 to 24 hours only. You get 100% commissions. Yep, all the money will go to you guys. And you will get to profit from 19 different products in the 8 high-converting done-for-you funnels I'm about to show you. For this, you need to go to your FunnelMates account and click on the Funnels tab. And you will see listed up to 8 turnkey software-as-a-service businesses live, automated, and ready for sales. You will need to click on the Promotional Links button for one of them. Let's do it for this one right here. And here, you will find all the products you need to get approved for. You just need to click on this one right here in the Request Permission text box type Minutestock. Click here and here and click on Request Approval. And that's it, guys. You will be approved for all 19 different products in the 8 high-converting funnels in 12 to 24 hours max, guaranteed. If you click on the funnel link and traffic kit, you will be able to see the URL where you will send all the traffic to. This is an example lead capture page for the funnel I just requested to approve to promote. As you notice, guys, this is not just a regular and simple opt-in page with some text and an opt-in form. This is indeed a professional, high-converting lead capture page subscribers would love to submit their email to access such a valuable gift for them. Guys, this looks terrific. Awesome, don't you think? And remember, I told you, you will get to send all leads straight into your autoresponder account as well. When people opt in, they will get redirected to the confirmation page, which will help you make sure people use their real email addresses to access their valuable gift. Once they confirm their email, they will be sent to a profit-making download page already optimized with your own affiliate ID, where they will be able to buy upgraded versions of the gift they just decided to get access to, as well as be able to download their gift. And this is where real money begins, guys. If people decide to buy any of these offers, they will be redirected to several upsell offers, giving you many more profit opportunities from each and every single buyer who gets into the funnel, giving you the most advantage of sales funnels like no other system can do for you. Step 3, advertise. Guys, for this, please do not think we will leave you alone for you to guess where in the world you will find quality traffic which converts and helps you truly achieve your profit goals. We've even prepared traffic for you. You'll get traffic in 3 easy ways. One-click traffic toolkit. You'll have a collection of banners, email swipes, and pre-written social share resources already embedded with your name and link ready to click, post, and profit. But if you would like a more hands-free solution and 100% free, let me show you the second way, self-perpetuating traffic funnel. Once a subscriber joins your list through one of your lead capture pages, they'll receive emails encouraging them to share, purchase, or buy other products, all with your affiliate links on them. Yes, guys, this means we do all the email marketing for you. You do nothing, not even have to pay for email autoresponder fees, and still get to keep all the profit. But if you still would like to scale results a whole lot more, let me show you what we have for you too. Done for you paid traffic. If you've ever wanted to run paid traffic but not sure how, this is for you. We offer reasonably priced traffic packages, getting your website seen by people who need it. We've partnered with top traffic providers online. Our traffic is only what's known as top tier website visitors who are from English-speaking countries like Australia, USA, Canada, the UK, and is guaranteed to be from real people. It's quick, easy, and the absolute fastest way to grow your leads business. You just need to follow these steps here and you are good to go. But guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Lots more awesome stuff inside Minutestock, but I can't show them all in this short video. Inside Minutestock, you have direct access to all the stock you'll be giving away and selling in the funnels. Thousands upon thousands of dollars worth of stock assets. And you have full commercial rights for each and every one of them. You will be able to store your own image and video library. Do you know how expensive it is to store images and videos nowadays? Well, here it is included in your purchase. You also get access to our text-to-speech technology, which will help save thousands of dollars in voiceover expenses for your audio and video projects. On top of that, you'll find 2 training areas where we will show you over our shoulder how to make money with Minutestock the quick and easy way, step by step, the basic way, and the advanced way. And finally, you can skyrocket your Minutestock profits with the ability to resell this humongous platform to other people and make money as top online sellers do. Guys, this is just too much for what you paid for, right? But this is a reality. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you would like to take the most advantage of the ultimate done-for-you solution with up to 8 ready-to-go software businesses you can profit from by using our traffic without any marketing or technical skills needed, then try Minutestock today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.